Hi everyone, it's day 3 of the video remodel series, and boy, everything is pretty much cleared out. Take a look. Again, coming in from the garage into the former kitchen as it was. This is the south wall of the kitchen and the east wall of the dining space and former kitchen. See the island, all cabinets, the island is gone, and that's a door to the deck. That wall where that little prep sink was is completely gone, which formed an L-shaped room for the dining room, wide open into the living room. It's amazing. It's really quick. Day 3. Getting into the attic to take care of some electrical, some plumbing, all the hardwood floors, the parquet flooring, the carpeting, all gone. The only thing that has stayed is this fireplace, the front closet. Here's the front door. And they haul out as they go, the crew. The stairwell, they still have to remove the railing and the carpet on the stairs. The back side of the fireplace, still all brick right now. We have the hallway going towards the bedroom area of the house. The soon-to-be powder room, cabinets, there was a sink and a cabinet here. That was the only thing, and it was open to the other part of the bathroom, which has the tub and shower. There was a toilet right there. This doorway going into bedroom number 2 will be enclosed. And let me step over all this broken tile. Bedroom number 2, oh, there's the toilet. Bedroom number 2, that little wall that was right there next to the window, to the left of the window, is gone. That closet stays put, but this kind of cool retro window seat will still be, will need to be removed. And this whole area right here where the second closet, the built-in desk, this wall, will all be taken up by the bathroom that will be for the use of this guest room, bedroom number 2. And they'll configure a double sink, vanity, a toilet, and a shower tub combination over there by the exterior wall. And then going into this area, the shelves for that linen closet still needs to be removed. Again, the idea being the washer and dryer will be in this area. The master bedroom suite, all carpet is gone. They clean up pretty well after each part of the demo. Closet shelving needs to still go, but that vanity is gone. Toilet still here with the shower, which will be removed, and part of that laundry room will be pushed into this area here. Thinking about some skylights in this master bathroom. And I believe that that is it. Great progress in 3 days. So I don't know what's going to happen next. The materials need to be ordered, and depending on the supply chain issue, we'll figure out when the actual remodel will begin, when things are going to be put back in place, probably starting with the floor material. Okay, if there's any more coming up, I'll let you know. There might be something happening with the built-in shelving right over there to the left of the fireplace with that opening into the hallway. We shall see. That is day 3 for you folks.
If you are enjoying this remodel video and want to continue to watch the series from demolition to the installation or replacement of materials, please click on the like and subscribe buttons. There will be upcoming projects that you can also get access to. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share.